pattern B. Here's another 5-note pattern from the shape. Now, if we move the pattern here, it will sound like this. And moving it here sounds like this. So again, we use the same amount of notes and the same rhythm, but we're moving the pattern to different places in the scale shape to make it sound different. This pattern is pretty similar to the previous pattern, but this time you always start and end with your index finger. Just like before, you can play this pattern starting from all strings except the first string.